Good morning children, welcome to today's EVS class. Today's class will continue learning block 5. We are learning about the plants, right children? So by now you know that plants give us food and also you know that plants give us medicines. Different plant parts are used as medicines and also plant parts are used as the food. Yes, so today we are going to learn about the fibers which we get from the plants. You can see the picture of threads here. So how are we able to get the thread from the fibers? So today we learn about the plant fibers. Using this thread, what can be done children? We will get the clothes. We will get the different types of clothes, bed sheets, towels, bags and all are made using this thread. So let us learn about the plant fibers. Aim of today's class is, we know that we get fibers from the plants. Today we learn about the different plant fibers that can be used to make clothes. So fiber to make the clothes. So we are learning, even we get from the plants and animals. Today we are going to learn about the plant fibers. So fiber means a thin thread-like material which is then twisted into thread, and from the thread clothes are made. F-I-B-E-R, fiber, a thin thread-like thing or material you can write. Coir. See, coir is the fiber that we get from the coconut. So you all might have seen the coconut. The virtual class will be shown to you. So that fiber which we get from the coconut is also used to make many things like mat, baskets and all. So the coir is the fiber we get from the coconut. C-O-I-R, coir. You please learn the spelling children. Let us get into the activity. As a part of today's activity, I hope you all have kept the cotton ball and the cotton thread and also a jute thread and different things made up of cotton and the jute. I hope you all have kept the cotton shirt or cotton sari or cotton towel and jute fabrics or jute bag ready. And if you have any coir mat, that also can be kept ready for the activity. Let us get started children. Please see this picture in your EVS notebook. Write children, what are the two plant fibers shown here? First you write, what are the two plant fibers shown here children? Very good. The first one, that white one is the cotton, and the second one green where you see the stem part is the jute plant. And do you know children which part of the cotton we are getting the fiber? That is the fruit part. That white part is the fruit part. And also in the jute plant, it is not the fruit part, it is the stem part we will get the fiber. So just in your EVS notebook, you will write, name the two plants shown here which will give us the fiber. Next we will see here children, this picture which you have kept ready. Can you identify what is kept here? Yes, cotton, a ball of cotton and that cotton thread, and what is the second, the brown one children? Jute thread. So what it is used for? It is used for making the cloths. Just you identify cotton thread, jute thread. Yes, children. Now let us see. Next picture will show you a variety of things made out of. See here children, using the threads. Here they have made different types of things. What are they? Can you identify? 5 are given. Can you identify at least 2 to 3 children? 3. Very good. Jute bag, cotton towel and also jute napkin or mat jute mat is kept there. So any 3 you can name in your EVS notebook. So what are we understanding from this activity? Seeing and identifying the two plant fibers, cotton and jute. And later we saw the cotton ball, thread and the two types of thread, cotton thread, jute thread. And you see the different things made out of cotton thread and jute thread children. So to understand this better, as usual, we will watch this
now
video.
Let's watch.
Children.
We get cotton, jute and coir from plants. These are plant fibers. Fibers are used to make clothes, bed covers, bags, towels and mats.
Yes, children, you are seeing the pictures of the cotton fiber, jute fiber and also the coconut coir. And from that fiber, what will be made? From the fiber, they'll get from the plants and they'll make the thread. And from the thread, what is made, children? Clothes, bed sheets, towels, bags and all are made. How is cotton thread similar to and different from jute thread? So when you touch and see, you have the cotton thread and the jute thread, you can able to identify that cotton is very soft, cotton thread is soft and jute thread is little rough. But what is common for both? Both we get from the plants. Both are plant fibers, but cotton thread is soft and the jute thread is rough comparatively. What are the different ways in which we can use this plant fibers? What all for you use it, children? Very good. See here, cotton, jute, coir. So these three are the fibers we get from the cotton plant, jute plant and the coconut plant. Now how are they useful? Cotton is used to make shirts, bed sheets, saris, skirts and all. Jute is used for making bags, mats and jute chairs also are made. And coir is generally, as it is very rough. Cotton is soft, jute is not that soft and coir will be rough, children. Jute and coir will be rough. That's why they are used for making ropes and baskets. You have seen all these pictures in the video of the cotton fiber, jute fiber and the coir. Now, should we harm or cut plants to get things from them? Why or why not? So from the lesson 1 to lesson 4, you understood that plants are very useful to us. So now you think, children, whether it is good to cut the plants or harm the plants. Yes, very good. You all might have come out with the same answer. We are not supposed to cut the plants or harm them because they are very, very useful to the, not only to the human beings and also for the animals and birds and all. We should not cut plants without thinking about what we are doing. Forests are cut down to get wood for making furniture, using in buildings and making paper. We should use things other than wood for making things. If we cut down one tree, we have to plant more. Cotton and jute plants are grown in large numbers so that we can get fiber for our use. So plants are very useful. So we have to be very careful to use the plant products also. You should use it carefully so that the plants will not be getting destroyed. And once one tree is cut, it is our duty to plant more trees and take care of them. So now, as usual, we will see what is given in our content book to understand the lesson better, children. Yes, now children, this is what we are learning. Things we make from plant parts. We get fibers from plants like cotton, jute and coconut. Fibers are used to make threads. Threads are used to make different things like clothes, towels and curtains. That's what you did as activity. I told you to draw write that from the fiber thread, from the thread, clothes. That's all, simple. From the fiber thread, from the thread, it is the clothes. And what are the three plants that give us the fiber? Cotton, jute and coconut. See here, children, baskets made of jute, clothes and towels made of cotton. And see there, apart from that, even we make tea from the leaves of tea plants and coffee from the coffee seeds. Mat from the coconut, you see there, children. And rubber, we get the rubber from the rubber plants to make the tires. We get wood by cutting down the big and strong trees like oak and teak. Wood is used to make furniture and in buildings. We should not cut trees. Nowadays we can make an artificial wood like thing in factories as well. So we should think of making the things other than the plant products so that the trees will not be cut. So now you have understood as a journey from LP1 to LP4, we have learnt about so many different plants. You are familiar with many plant names by now, how they are used as vegetables, fruits, oil seeds, spices, cereals, pulses and also medicines. Now you see even the rubber, paper and also the fibers, children. So let us understand the lesson better by doing this practice questions. Tick the fibers that we get from plants: cotton, silk, jute and wool. As usual, what to be done, children? You will be ticking it. Cotton, yes, you have to tick it. Silk is from silkworm. Jute, you will tick it. Wool is from the sheep. You all know that. Very good. Now, name any 3 things made of cotton fiber. So 3 things, different things in your home. If you have a look only, you can get towel will be there compulsory. Yes, children. and then shirt will be there, and any one more thing you will think and you write on your own, children, which is made up of cotton. Draw one thing that can be made of jute fiber. Jute, generally we all use the jute bags as lunch bags, no children, when you come to school. Yeah, you can write bag. Write the way in which we can use this thing. So bag for carrying, or lunch bag, carrying the things you can write. Yes, a rope, jute rope, if you write, you can write the rope is used for tying different things. Think on your own and complete this, children. Let us see what is given in the workbook. Things we make from plant parts. Please write the date. Now you see the first question, children. Circle the fibers that we get from plants. Again and again it is repeated only, very easy. Cotton and jute. You please. So I am just I'm putting a dash on that. So you will be circling it, children. Now let us see the next question. I'll move on. Complete the table. Fiber. Tick the fiber used to make this thing. One more thing made from this fiber. See that? Shirt. Okay. So now, which fiber? Coir or cotton? Coir we can't make, it's very rough, I told you, no. So we can't make shirt. So it is cotton. So you, one minute children, I'll take my pen. So you can tick the cotton. And one more thing made from this fiber. Shirt already there. So can we write towel? So everybody can know the towel spelling nicely. Very good. Now doormat. So doormats. So it is not by, sometimes it is even by cotton, but generally the mat shown here is coir. So coir can be used for making ropes, children, for tying different things. No, they'll use the coir. You can write ropes. Why should we not harm trees? Why should not cut or harm trees, children? Because plants give us, you can write food, they give us medicines, they are the home for animals. So you can write plants give us food. Plants give us, you will write food, medicines, fiber. Yes, no children, fiber, and you can add on more things, rubber, even you have seen in the book gum. So that's why we should not cut or harm trees. It is also home for animals like squirrels and all, no children. So complete this on your, try to complete this on your own. So now as a journey, we learnt about the fiber, jute fiber, cotton fiber, jute thread, cotton thread, and then we learnt the, see from where we get it, see the cotton plant, jute plant, and also we learnt the different things made out of jute and cotton. So complete all the work given by reading the content book 2 to 3 times. Then you will complete the practice questions and the worksheet on your own and send me the pics, children. Bye bye children, we'll meet in the next class.